Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Binance Coin BNB, and I will definitely going to tell you my next long duration targets, my next medium duration targets, and my next immediate short term targets for the Binance Coin. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel and please join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. Here you can see this is the CoinGecko page of Binance Coin, and Binance is currently trading at $302 and it gained 9.9% within 24 hours. And this is the market cap of the Binance Coin. This is the 24-hour trading volume of the Binance Coin, and this is the 24-hour high price and 24-hour low price of the Binance Coin. This is the total circulating supply of the Binance Coin, and this is the maximum supply, and current rank of this token is currently at 3 rank, and this is very important token, and this is the token of Binance Exchange, and it has huge potentials. I make previous video on Binance Coin, and in which I tell you that it should have to hit $200. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. And let me please show you some statistics of Binance Coin. Binance Coin gives its user 1276% gain within 1 year. And this is the all-time high of Binance Coin, 339, which is at 19 February 2021, just 1 day ago before this. And this is the all-time low of Binance Coin, which was at 19 October 2017, $0.0398. And this is the chart of Binance Coin, and you can trade Binance token in Binance Exchange, BKX, and some other major exchanges. And if you want to trade Binance Exchange on Binance, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get $600 bonus, which is absolutely free and which is withdrawable and which is tradable, you can withdraw this amount and you can trade this amount. Then you have to click on this Bybit link and create your account within 30 seconds. After depositing this quantity, you can get $600 bonus, but the only condition is that you have to deposit these amounts. And please watch this. And let me focus to the content. And what is the Binance? Binance is the cryptocurrency exchange founded by the Changpeng Zhao and He Yi in July 2017. Binance started with an initial coin offering ICO and has since grown into one of the largest global cryptocurrency exchanges, both in terms of volume traded and market share by web traffic. And here you can see the score of the Binance Exchange, 10 over 10. Binance trust score is 10, which is very good. And let me please show you the chart of the Binance Exchange. And please stay in the video because I am going to give you next targets. So please thumbs up the like button. Hit the like button. Please share this video to all of your Binance Coin holder friends, and please watch this video complete. Binance rejected at $348, and after that we see a big dip in Binance price, and it was at $222. After that we saw a pullback and it is currently trading at $298. Now main question is that what is our immediate short-term targets? Let me please tell you. You can see this is like a W pattern, and this is the horizontal resistance, and this is the horizontal support for the Binance token right now. And let me please tell you my first immediate short-term target for the Binance token, or Binance Coin you can say. Please friend, keep supporting, and please once BNB break this neckline, then definitely it have to create new all-time high, and it will have to hit $375 is our immediate short-term target for the Binance Coin right now, and it should have to hit 375 and have to create its new all-time high. Let me please tell you my next target. $398, you can say $400 is our next target for the Binance coin right now. But for this, Binance must have to break $310 resistance. Once Binance BNB break this resistance zone and close overly candle above this $310 level, then it have to hit 375 and $400. These are two targets currently for the Binance coin right now for me. These are immediate short-term targets. Please focus and please watch this video complete. And let me please tell you my long duration target for the Binance. I have to convert this chart in day candles, and let me please arrange this chart. Friends, keep supporting and please stay in this video and please like this video, because this is very important video. That is why I am asking you to please stay in this video, because then I will tell you my next long duration target for the Binance right now. All of you know that Binance has a huge potential, and this is the coin of Binance exchange. Definitely it have to move towards upside, and price will have to hit new all-time highs. But what is the price target right now? Let me please tell you. Once BNB break this zone, BNB is currently in 0.78 and 1 of this Fibonacci level, and once BNB break this level and hit 348, then our next target will be this zone. 555 is our next target. First target is 340 and next target is 555. Main question is that should we have to buy Binance coin right now? I think this is the right time, because this price is very attractive to me, and I think we have to buy this from that zone, which is $300 price level, or we have to wait until it hit 275. These are two price ranges. Then I think these are very suitable for all of us, I think so. And let me please tell you my long duration target for the Binance right now. If you buy Binance, and friend, let me please tell you, this is not a investment advice and not a trading advice. This is just a technical knowledge and technical information that I am just sharing with you, and this video is just for entertainment purpose and educational purpose. I will not responsible any kind of your losses. Then please trade or please buy Binance token at your own risk, because cryptocurrency is very volatile and very risky. You have to set your stop loss as at $230, and then our first target is this 348, or you can say $350, which will give you 15% profit, and your risk will be 23%, and your reward will be after hitting 350, which is very near. I think maybe within 24 hours or maybe within 1 day, Binance have to hit this. After this, let me please tell you my long duration targets and medium duration targets. I think Binance token, or Binance should have to hit this $1,000 level, price level, within 3 months. I think I am very sure that it should have to hit $1,000 within 3 months, and within 6 months, I think that it have to hit this zone. 1460, or you can say 1450 is our next target for the Binance, which will give us definitely 385% profit, and our risk will be 23%. We have to set our stop loss at $230, and our risk will be just 23%, and your reward will be after hitting $1,400. $1,460, your reward will be $385, and I think $1,500 is my next target for the Binance. Within 6 months to 1 year, it should have to hit 1,500 to 2,000. This is the target for the 1 year, 6 months to 1 year. I think Binance should have to hit these targets within 1 year. I am very much sure, because Binance has huge potential, and increasing users are increased on daily basis in Binance Exchange, and this is the token of Binance Exchange. This is the coin of Binance Exchange, and having a huge potential. This is our target, $2,000. Binance should have to hit this target within 6 months to 1 year. This is the target. Our first target will be $1,000. Within 3 months, I think it should have to hit. 1,500 is our 6-month targets, and 2,000 is our target of 6 months to 1 year. These are our targets. I think Binance should have to hit this, and I am very sure in this bull run, Binance must hit. I think surely it will hit these targets. Thanks for the watching, friends. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please thumbs up the like button, and please click on the bell icon for regular updated videos. And if you want to trade Binance coin or buy Binance coin at your own risk, then please go to in this video's comment section, where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Thanks for the watching. Keep supporting, friends.